Welcome to the Leader Fabrics IBC 2023 bite-sized series, where we look at the Leader and Fabrics complete IP analysis solution. Starting with a PTP generator, we have the Leader LT4670. Designed for broadcasters who are migrating from an SDI to an IP-based infrastructure, the LT4670 provides both traditional black and burst and analog references along with PTP. Stay in sync and slow sync mode are also available for both the SDI, analog audio and PTP reference sources in the event of GPS being lost and then reconnected. Dual hot swappable redundant power supplies ensure continuous operation. The LT4670 comes with two independent PTP engines and ports, and also provides PTP at power up if GPS is not available, along with two 25 gig IP and four 12 gig SDI test pattern signal generator outputs, which include lip sync and user test patterns. The Leader LVB440 IP Analyzer provides unrivaled network analysis tools along with traditional waveform, vector, CIE color chart display. And new for IBC 2023, Leader was showcasing integration with Densitron's 4RU LCD customizable control panel, featuring pre-configured multi-screen layouts of 2x1, 2x2, 3x2 and 4x2. The operator can quickly and easily switch between video sources and customizable layout display, and select which waveform they wish to view. And if more detailed analysis of an image is required, simply hold the picture to display a traditional quad split display and then revert back to the multi-screen display. Then by simply holding the customizable layout display, we can recall a traditional picture, waveform and vectors display for all four sources, making this ideal for camera matching in a remote production environment. The Fabrics QX series allow operators to simultaneously monitor multiple analysis tools and customize the layout and save them as a preset for simple and easy recall. The LV56 and 7600 also feature a customizable layout which can be saved as a preset. The graphs can also be scaled from anywhere from 2 minutes up to 72 hours, allowing an operator to align the analysis tools so they can see where a quality of service interruption took place and quickly identify whether it was on the network, whether it was on the PTP, or whether it was somewhere else within the network. So irrespective of where you are on your IP migration, Leader and Fabrics have products that will assist you in the generation of PTP and analysis of your video signals. If you'd like to learn more about Leader's complete IP solution, then visit our website at www.leader.co.jp/en.